Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and I'd like to tell you about some great specials that Ballet Wallet is running for Valentine's Day for that special hodler in your life. Also, I want to demo one of their new advanced features. So let's get started. So, Ballet Wallets is a really cool cold storage cryptocurrency wallet that I've told you about in the past. And they're running a great Valentine special now, which includes free etching when you purchase the wallet. So, you can give this wallet to that special someone in your life. Now, if you're young and single and you're trying to impress a date, there's no better way. And for those of us out there who are in long-term relationships, you know it's hard to find something new and fresh for Valentine's Day. So when you're giving a gift to someone you really care about, nothing says permanence more than the permanent, immutable Bitcoin blockchain. So you can give Bitcoin to that special person in your life, and you can use the Ballet Wallet cards to do it. Also, it's going to include an engraved message of your choice that you can use to express your feelings. I was given an engraved Bitcoin wallet by the good people over at Ballet Wallets to thank me for all the videos that I've done that talk about self-custody and cold storage, and I really appreciate it. I think it's a really cool card. It's very beautiful, it's very durable, and you can store Bitcoin on there long term. It's also safe from hackers because all the Bitcoin is stored completely offline. There is no online access to this card. Also, it's a great way to gift Bitcoin because the recipient doesn't really need to know anything about holding Bitcoin. You give them the card and they can rest assured that they have Bitcoin safe and secure. Now, if they want to retrieve this Bitcoin, it's really easy to download the app and access the Bitcoin if you decide you want to transfer it somewhere else or send it over to an exchange so you can sell it. But it's really something that you can have and hold for many years to come. It's an investment in your future and their future. Now, speaking of cold storage, there's an advanced feature for Ballet Wallets that I would like to demonstrate for you guys. You can use an offline device to sign outgoing transactions. This allows you to keep the private key completely offline, even when you're moving crypto on and off the cards. So let me show you how this works. This is my go-to device that is connected to my wireless carrier and my home Wi-Fi network and all the other good stuff that makes the internet great. I'm running Ballet Wallet on this. All right, so the first thing I'll want to do if I want to send some of this Bitcoin out is simply scan it into the app. I'm in the Wallets interface. I'm just going to go up here to the top and tap Add to add a new wallet. I'll go ahead and scan in the address of this wallet. Right, and that adds the wallet to my app. Now, I would like to, let's say I want to move $25 worth of Bitcoin out of this wallet. But when I do that, I don't want to use this phone to sign the transaction. I want to use an offline device. First thing I'll do is head out to the main screen and go to Settings, which is under More down here. And I just want to make sure that I'm in expert mode. As you can see, it was already on. If you go into expert mode and you see that it's off, just toggle it on so you can take advantage of this feature. Now, when I send this Bitcoin out, I can send it anywhere. I can send it to any other Bitcoin wallet that I have or even an exchange. I'm going to go ahead and send it to another Ballet card just to kind of keep things simple. I've got this card over here. I'll send it there. So I'm going to do a send. And then I'll scan in the destination address. All right, and I can adjust I can send as little or as much as I want, but I'm going to just send half of this. So I'll send about $25 worth of Bitcoin. And I can adjust the fee up or down. I'll maybe just put it in the middle there. It's up to you how much or how little the fee you want. The higher the fee, the faster the transfer. keep that in mind. Now I want to enable air gap signing down here. I'll click next. Right, and it's going to give me instructions. So what I need to do is get my offline device to sign this transaction. So I have an offline device. As you can see, this phone is not connected to anything. The SIM card has been removed from this phone. It's not connected to my Wi-Fi. It's a completely offline device. And it's also running Ballet Wallet. Right? In the past, I have downloaded and installed a Ballet Wallet. So now that I have this offline device, we'll just go to next here, and I'm going to scan this QR code. This is the transaction request. Right? So I'm going to click scan here and scan that in. I'm going to use this offline device to sign my transaction. I need to read in the private information off this card. So the first thing I'll do is scratch off the passphrase. All right, I may have gotten a little carried away there. So I'll just add that in by entering it here. All right, and once I've entered in the passphrase, I'll tap next. And now I need to peel the sticker and scan the private key. All right, now that I have scanned that private key into this offline device, the offline device has generated a signed transaction, or what you might want to think of as an approval code. All right, so the entire process of signing the transaction occurred on the offline device. Now I just take my online device, my go-to device, go ahead and hit the next, and it wants me to scan that approval code. Right, and once I scan that approval code, I've completed the outgoing transaction. As you can see, I'm sending out the $25. I'll go ahead and hit send now, and off it goes onto the blockchain. Right? So safe and secure offline signing for your transactions which do not expose the private key to the internet in any way or form. Card still has a balance, but I haven't exposed the private key to the internet, except for you guys who happen to be watching. This, you can put the sticker back on there. Maybe if you want to put a piece of electrical tape over this or stash it away somewhere where no one will find it, you've still got your safe and secure cold storage where you've got your Bitcoin stored offline. So that's the new advanced offline signing feature for the Ballet Wallets. Really cool way to keep your crypto safe and secure while you're making transfers. And take advantage of these Valentine's Day special. Notice if you click Engrave Your Message, you can go over here, and for the same price of a real Bitcoin edition, you'll also get the engraving included. Pretty cool. You can express your emotion and affection here, and it will come out very nice and permanent on this beautiful card for that special person in your life. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.